welcome back to my channel, guys. Ian Plus Nature TV, guys. It's good to be here. Give thanks and praises for life, guys. Give thanks and praises for mobility. Give thanks and praises for just your mere existence, guys, on this plane, guys, on this planet, guys. So, guys, today I just like to show you the way I break my fast, guys.
Welcome to
Ian Plus Nature TV.
fruit and vegetable then, guys. And this smoothie, this consists, guys, of blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry. Blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry, guys. And guys, there's also vegetable included in this mixture, guys. This is frozen fruits, and this is kale, kiwi, pineapple, spinach, and mango. Kale, kiwi, pineapple, spinach, and mango, guys. And as you can see, guys, I put ripe banana in it, and I put avocado in the mixture too, guys. As you can see, this is a mixture of kale, kiwi, avocado, ripe banana, mango, spinach, strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, guys, and blackberry. This is the way I break my fast, guys. This is awesome. This is so rich and smooth, guys. Trust me, you will love it. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for sticking around with me, guys. And that is to show you guys the way I break my fast in the morning, guys. I don't go hard on food in the morning because I am just rising up, just getting up, and I'm breaking my fast. So when you break your fast, you don't go heavy on your stomach. Okay? Thank you, guys.